Gori Governor Obado, who's facing charges for the murder of a university student and her unborn baby, has in recent days risen to political eminence after joining Deputy President William Ruto's bandwagon, accompanying him in tours of Migori, Nyamira, Kisii and Nyeri yesterday. But just what is Obado up to, and what impact does the embattled governor bring to Ruto's 2022 presidential ambitions? Our political affairs reporter Mrimi Mwangi reports on Obado's newfound unity with the Deputy President.
When Director of Public Prosecution confirmed charges against Migori Governor Obado for the murder of university student Sharon Otieno and her unborn baby, the future of the two-term county chief precariously hung down a cliff to political obscurity as industrial area remand prison became his new home for over a month as he fought to be released on bail. And with only 3 months before resuming his murder trial, Obado has found a political shoulder to lean on.
Nataka mnipatie ruhusa ya kutembea na naibu wa rais kila mahali ili watu wangu wa Migori County wapate maendeleo. Sitakuwa sawa.
Iko shida nikifanya kazi na gavana wa Migori huyu bwana Obado. Iko makosa. Tunafanya kazi kwa pamoja kwa sababu tunatafuta yale mambo ambayo yatafaidi wananchi wa Migori na wananchi wa Kenya.
And for the past 1 week, Obado has accompanied Deputy President William Ruto to at least 4 different functions. First, hosting Ruto in Migori as the DP launched various development projects. Obado could, however, not accompany Ruto to the neighboring Homa Bay County, where the embattled governor is persona non grata, the court having restricted his movements to at least 20 kilometers from the Homa Bay border. And over the weekend, Ruto made a return tour to Migori. That saw Obado also accompany him to Nyamira. They were yet again sharing a podium in Nyeri during the late Dr. Wahome Gakuru half marathon. But what political capital does Obado bring to Ruto's 2022 race to State House? Prior to the murder trial, Obado had fallen out with ODM party boss Raila Odinga after he rejected the party's nomination of Ochilo Ayako for Migori senatorship.
My victory was snatched away from me during the nominations,
rekindling memories of Obado's 2013 face-off with Raila that saw the sugarcane farmer and businessman clinch the Migori governorship on the little-known PDP party against ODM's Oyugia Kongo. In 2017, Obado viciously fought for the ODM ticket against Ayako in a battle that ended with a ruling in favor of Obado at the political party's disputes tribunal. But what chances does Obado stand in his renewed Raila onslaught?
That vast estate remains entirely the sole property of Raila Odinga, unfortunately, because of the kind of hypnotic politics that has been played in that region for far too long.
Nafurahia hiyo maneno ya Governor Obado kukampenia Ruto kwa sababu hao wote wamekuwa mahaslas. Sasa hao wakikampeni wawili hapo ndio wanaweza badilisha sura yetu ya Kenya.
Nataka mniombee watumizi wa Mungu ambao wako hapa. Nataka mniombee Saidi ili hiyo mamba isinimeze.
Obado's murder trial resumes next year with a pre-trial conference on the 14th of February. But with the hangman's noose staring at his face over his alleged role in the murder, Obado is no doubt poised to seek more political warmth as he fights to salvage his career. Mrimi Mwangi, KTN News.
Remy, thank you for that. I want us to take a short break here on KTN Primetime News. When we get back, Malika Kazia will be taking us through the business news, including the two-day mining forum that is